Good afternoon, future Augustinians, future students of Klase. I am Professor Regina Aileen May Vergara. I am also the academic supervisor of the Department of Chemistry and Physics. Our department manages the BS Chemistry program. So this afternoon, I am here to talk about our BS Chemistry program offering. So the BS Chemistry program of the University of San Agustin is a 4-year degree program. It offers the fundamental principles of chemistry. Your professors will teach you the principles of chemical instrumentation and allows you to have a hands-on experience of manipulating the state-of-the-art equipment in the laboratory. The program also offers specialized courses, including natural products. If you like to study about plants, then that would be natural products. Then you have also organic spectroscopy, okay, analytical chemistry, microbiology, and chemical biology. The program also, our curriculum is designed that there are in 2 years in the program, meaning after you reach your 2nd year or you have earned 30 units of chemistry courses, you can take the chemical technician licensure examination, and you can work in the future as a laboratory technician in various industries if you pass the chemical technician examination. So that means may eligibility ka na bisan estudyante ka pa lang. At the same time, if you finish the degree after 4 years, you can take the chemistry licensure examination, and there will be greater opportunities for you as chemist. Okay, for a student to succeed in this field of chemistry, you need the following competencies, or you can develop these competencies, or as our first speaker earlier says, you analyze yourself. No, if you possess these particular qualities or competencies. If you do, then you are suited to take the BS Chemistry program. So what are these qualities that are to your advantage if you take the chemistry program? So one, if you are scientific and has numerical skills, so mahilig ka bala sa numero, or if you find solving problems or solving mathematical equations easy, then probably chemistry would be a thing for you. Two, if you are logical and independent and has an independent mind, then you are fond of finding logic to everything that you do, then you can be an independent or does things independently, then most probably chemistry is a program for you. Three, do you have patience and determination? That is also a quality for a BS chemistry student. Four, excellent in analytical skills, or if you have meticulous attention to details and accuracy, okay, or you can work in a team and has a good interpersonal skills, meaning you can also work with someone even if you are not your buddies, okay? So also you need to be flexible, especially later on if you will be working in a research facility. Okay, so you have to learn, you can easily adapt to a given situation. Okay, so these qualities are important to be one or to work as a researcher in the future. And then if you are good rather in oral or written communication, then chemistry is the program of choice. Okay, just to give you a glimpse on how we teach our students. So once you are enrolled in the chemistry program, our students are mentored by experts. All our faculties have master's degree in chemistry, and 3 of our faculties have PhD in chemistry and possess diverse expertise. In fact, we are lucky that one of our faculty is a DOST Balik scientist. Also our students perform in team or individual research work, and they get to experience presenting their research output in local, regional, national research fora and colloquia. Also, as mentors, we mold our students to be holistic, okay, or totally developed persons. That means you are not only mentored academically, but you will be exposed to appreciate the values of life through the Augustinian the charism in order to develop into a total humane person embedded in the Augustinian motto, Virtus et Scientia. Here we are happy to share with you that in the department as well as in the chemistry program, we have academic linkages that would help our students be exposed to different areas, especially in research activities. Okay, we also have our industry partners where we send our students to have a hands-on experience on what is life in actual work situation. What about career opportunities? Okay, so there are a lot of career opportunities if you are a graduate of BS Chemistry. The industry or manufacturing are always looking for graduates of the BS Chemistry program. Here in Iloilo City alone or Iloilo province, the demand for chemistry graduate in the industry like feed mills, bottling, sugar central, etc. are high. So, and lately we also have more power, which they are also looking for chemists. We have several feed mills here like BMEG, Lab Feeds, and many more. Because we also have this growing poultry industry here in Region 6. You can also be employed in government agencies like DNR, Bureau of Fisheries, Department of Agriculture, Soils Laboratory, Department of Health, or even the Department of Science and Technology. A number of our graduates are employed in these government agencies here in Region 6. You can also join military. Okay, recently there are a lot of graduates also in the BS Chemistry program who joined PNP or NBI, okay, where they work in the crime lab. If you are fond of watching CSI, then you will be doing similar work if you work in a crime lab, or if you want to solve criminalities in drug addiction, then you can work on DEA. So normally when we join military service, upon entry, after training, after a military training, our rank will be first lieutenant. We have a graduate in the chemistry program who is now a regional in Region 6. Okay, she is a BS Chem graduate. You can also join the academy. So like me, I prefer or I chose to work in the industry previously, but I joined the academy because I find teaching in the academy more fulfilling. Plus, I get to earn my postgraduate degree when I joined the academy. So when you join the academy, you have a chance of getting your graduate degrees, proceed to your master's or your PhD if you want to. You can also work in a research facility. Okay, so if you like to tinker around in equipment, so here in Region 6, there are only few research facilities. CIFDEC is one, but outside of Region 6, there are several research facilities. So again, if you plan to join a research facility, then it would be best if you take also your master's degree or your PhD degree. Lastly, but not the least, if you are a graduate of the BS Chemistry program and has an inclination to go into business, then chemistry would be a program of choice if you want to be an entrepreneur, because then you are also taught how to develop products. So you can develop your own product and put up your own company. Isn't that great? If you have your own company, then you will not be employed, but rather you will be employing others. So if you are listening to an FM station, there is always a repeating ad. Okay, and I would like to share with you because I used to know the person. So if you are listening an FM radio station, you probably heard of various ads of ACS. Okay, so that is a family-owned business, and the wife is a chemist. She used to be my supervisor when I was in the industry. So she first developed a detergent powder for washing machines, and she only started small. Okay, and now they are in supermarkets, and later they evolved into commercially available laundry detergent, and then they developed a detergent bar, and now they have other products other than that. So the wife is a chemist. If you know Lu Shutan, who is also a Chinese tycoon, she is also a chemist. So if you are into entrepreneur, then chemistry would be your program of choice. And I am also confident to say that 100% of our graduates get employed after graduation, because there are a lot of career opportunities for chemistry graduates. So before I end my presentation, study chemistry, be a scientist, answer the call of DOST, because DOST is looking or has preference for us to increase our number of researchers in every millions of Filipinos. So enroll in our BS chemistry program and to answer the call of the government. Allow me also to share a video so that you will see a glimpse on the equipment that we can share with you. Okay.
When I started college, I had a vision of what I wanted to be, but reaching that vision was a blur to me. But at the University of San Agustin, I found my passion under the chemistry program. I was mentored by leaders who found their passion in the intricate world of chemistry and have ventured into the different facets of chemistry, research, and the medical field. I am assured that where I am now is a step to where I envision to be. The university not only honed my skills with its lauded state-of-the-art facilities, it also worked to better the lives of those in their community through their dilipunan efforts. I was trained and mentored by the best and brightest to be equipped to take on the world. I came, I conquered, I am